Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to Telculp Guy. So for today, I'm gonna show you how to download rednote app. So go to Google Store or Play Store and then just type on rednote and then just click on install. Now the same procedure works as well for the Apple Play Store, the Apple Store. Now you can also download it there. It's available even in the United States. A lot of TikTokers have already moved to rednote. So basically that's it. You just enter that, and once it finishes downloading, it will ask you to sign in with an account. You can enter other accounts that you have already created, like with Gmail accounts and stuff like that, or you can create your own account. So once that finishes up installing, just make sure you enter everything that it asks you to enter for your account creation. And that's it. It's very simple and very easy to do. And hopefully if we were able to help you out, please do not forget to hit the like and the subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Telculp Guy.